Now we will learn how to enter the data in Excel sheet. If we want to enter the data in a cell, then we have to click on that particular cell and then we have to type the data. We can observe that when we typing the data in a cell, then the same data is shown in formula bar. Here we can calculate formulas easily. Now I am in third row and here I am giving formula equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 and press enter key. Now it shows result. The formula is placed in formula bar and here it shows result. Like this, we can give formulas directly. If we want to give formula for the existing data, suppose if you want to show the result by adding these three values, then we have to give formula as a equal to A1 plus A2 plus B2 and press enter key. Now it shows sum of these three values as a result. So this particular cell is referencing the addresses of these three cells. If we change the value in this cell, for example, I am giving 500 here. Now we can observe that the result is changed according to the given formula. In same way, if we change the values in these three cells, then the result will also change. Like this, we can give formulas based on the remaining cells. If we want to show the same value in a group of cells, then we have to place the arrow mark like this and then click and drag the plus symbol towards down. And here we can see the same value is repeated in these cells. In same way, if we want to show the same value in next columns, then click and drag the plus symbol towards right side. With the help of this function, there is no need to type the same value again and again. Next, if you want to increment the values, suppose I am giving starting value 1 and next generatable value is 2. Now select these two cells and place the arrow mark here and then click and drag the plus symbol towards down. Now the values are increased automatically. Like this, we can generate the values towards right side. For example, I am giving values 100, 200. Now select these two values and then click and drag the plus symbol towards right side. Then it will show the increment values automatically. In same way, we can also generate the decrement values. For example, I am giving 200, 150. Now click and drag the plus symbol towards down. Then it will show decrement values. Like this, we can also perform this function in predefined list. For example, I am giving January, February and select these two cells. Now click and drag the plus symbol towards down. Then it will show remaining months. Like this, we can also give day names, Sunday, Monday and select these two cells. Now click and drag the plus symbol towards down. Like this, we have given some predefined list to make data entry easily. Suppose I am preparing students' data, student number, student name, marks in Telugu, marks in English, marks in science, marks in maths, total and average. Here I want to make the values increment. So I am giving 100, 101 and drag the plus symbol. Now it shows the increment values. Next, I am giving student's name. Telugu marks. English marks. Science marks. Maths marks. We have to use Enter key, Tab key and arrow keys to move from one cell to another cell. Now we have to calculate totals. So I am giving formula C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2 and press Enter key. Now it shows the total marks. And again there is no need to give formulas for remaining students. Just we have to click and drag the plus symbol, then automatically it will show total for all students. And if we place cursor on that particular cell, then it will show its corresponding formula in formula bar. In same way, if we want to calculate average, then we have to give formula. Total marks by number of subjects. So I am giving G2 by 4. Press Enter key. Now it shows average. And we have to click and drag the plus symbol for the remaining students' average. Then it will show the average for all students automatically. We can also use functions without giving any formulas. So click on this icon. Now it will recognize the values automatically and press Enter key. Then it will show the total value. Like this, we have different types of functions. So in primary stage, we will use formulas. In next sessions, we will learn about functions. In next sheet, I am giving employee details. Employee number, employee name, job, basic, TA, DA, HRA, gross, income tax, PF and net amount. Here I am giving 100, 101 and drag the plus symbol. Now it shows the increment values. Next I am giving employee names. Jobs, clerk, manager, programmer, manager, clerk, programmer and clerk. Here we have some large words, so we can increase the cell width. In same way, we can also increase the row height. Now I am giving basic salary. Next, we have to calculate TA 3% on basic. So I am giving formula D2 into 3%. Now it will calculate automatically. Next, I am giving DA 4% on basic and the formula is D2 into 4%. Next one is HRA 2% on basic. So I am giving formula D2 into 2%. Next I am giving formula for gross amount D2 plus E2 plus F2 plus G2. Now it shows gross amount. Next one is income tax 2% on basic. So I am giving formula D2 into 2%. And PF is 6% on basic. So the formula is D2 into 6%. Now drag this plus symbol. Next we have to subtract income tax and PF from gross amount. So I am giving formula H2 minus I2 plus J2. Now it shows net amount. Like this, we have to make data entry and calculations.